Hey guys, RedSpartan here. Hey, just want to talk about high runes. I know a lot of us are trying to look for high runes and trying to get our rune words, and sometimes we don't know the best path to be able to go about. So I just want to show you two paths. One is the lower Karast, and then after that, Travical, if you can. So I'll show you what you need to look for the lower Karast. For the lower Karast, we're going to go to. You're going to try to find this, this right here. You're going to try to find the bonfire in the middle. And then with the bonfire, you're actually going to get like 3 mega chests. With 3 mega chests, you will probably get decent loot. Let's see what we get here. Keep keys in your inventory for the reasons that those could be locked. And I got nothing good out of those. But in your map of Lower Karast, you get probably a max of 2 of these bonfires here. On mine here, I only got 1. So let's move on to Travical. With this route, if you just do this over and over again, you have a pretty good chance of dropping high runes. I think it's like 1 in 10,000 games if you do the math of like mega chests. 1 in 10,000 games. For Travical, you're just gonna like go around, teleport, try to kill them, keep your mercenary alive. Try to at least. It's kind of sometimes impossible. Let your blizzard do the damage that needs to do. Hopefully you don't get too many cold immunes. If you have a strong enough mercenary, that he should be able to last after like you get down to like 2 or 3 of these guys. So you see he's kind of doing that. If you take the fire hits, if you can't, teleport around until they disappear. Almost died there myself. So let's just go here, get some life, go back. Alright. And I didn't get anything from that either. So, but you can see like how fast that could be. So typically, just to show you guys what it kind of looks like from a fresh game without kind of getting the mega chest, you come into lower Karast, teleport around. Right here, I believe is the, nope. Keep going around. Kind of like make your, kind of like a spiral. There we go. Found one. So here's the bonfire. So you go in the building. Open this chest. No high rune. Open that chest. No high rune. Or anything, I guess. Open that chest. Nothing. And then if you want, if you're done with one, you're done with one. It's up to you. But you can, and you can find a second one like this. So I found a second one. So I'm going to go in here. Nothing. Go in here. Nothing. Nothing. And then you kind of go back to your waypoint. Go to Travical. Go to them. Do the teleport around. Just to kind of teleport around mostly is to keep your mercenary alive, but you know, you probably need to stay alive also, like so. Almost died. Just keep going. Got chaos armor, that's Trangs, I believe. So yeah, when you're doing this to get, I got a soul rune, which is not a high rune by any means, but I sometimes accidentally click on that a lot. But your mercenary should be able to handle a decent amount. If you teleport him on top of him, he'll fight him right away. Obviously, sometimes you need to redirect him. Get that guy, he's kind of annoying, and oh my gosh. You know, it can't be pretty all the time. It's not going to be pretty every time you guys do it. If it is, please send those because I need to learn, obviously. And that's what it typically looks like, you guys. So you're just going to do those over and over and over again, and you should be able to get high runes. The chances are, well, for the just lower Karast, it's 1 in 10,000. But if you're going to add Travical on that, you're going to get probably other gear, and hopefully you get a high rune as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll hopefully make some more, and I'm going to keep this going. Thanks, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is the route I like to take to get high runes. I have a total of 2 high runes that I've found myself right now. I have made both a Fortitude and a CTA with those high runes. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want more information like this, please like and subscribe. If you guys like what I'm doing, like and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Also, at the same time, I'd like to say that I am going to be having an Iron Man tournament soon. I 3D printed this trophy right here. So I would like to get that tournament started. If you guys would like to be a part of that tournament, please join my Discord. It should be in the description down below. If you guys join that, I will be making a channel which will help you guys join that and be able to find out when those tournaments will be. And I will be sending this trophy to the winner for free. I'll be trying to do multiple of these tournaments. Hopefully to see you guys there, and see you guys next video. Thanks. See ya.